This video, I mean, this mobile has Ozo Audio. Ozo Audio. Ozo Audio is the latest technology which can pick up the audio even from a long distance. Okay. So, what do you think, Anish? Tell me, what do you think that social media is not good for the students at least?
Student has mm, those student know properly how to use smartphone.
Okay.
Most of the time they using smartphone
For fun
for fun,
and
for
entertainment.
entertainment.
Yes. So, for this reason,
For this reason, students should not buy smartphone.
okay.
If they buy, then they should use for good things, good positive things.
Okay, very good. That means you are recommending students to buy a smartphone, but they should use it for good purpose, right? For learning purpose, for knowing something, right?
and searching some
And very good. And tell me one thing: lot of students, like students who are reading in Bengali medium, they cannot speak in English properly. Okay. Now, honest, tell me if okay, any one of you tell me what is the best method to learn English, means what are the grammar sections that you should focus to develop our communication skill.
At first, the tense,
Mm-hmm.
saying the sentence,
Okay.
third, voice changes, then needed every day to
Okay.
speak English.
Okay, very good. Now you are all in class 11 standard, right?
Yeah.
Now, especially when I ask you any questions in English, that time which grammar section you feel that every student should learn, and how do you, okay, oh, you already told me the answer, right? Now, what is the way actually, how do you practice English in my class?
We are speaking English.
Yeah.
So we
We
know
are
our
trying to
fault.
speak in English.
We
Okay.
learn.
Hmm.
Or
And how do I teach you actually?
You teach That's you are why using
at first
English.
you tell us, try to speak in English.
Mhm.
If we
Find
make
out a
any
mistake.
wrong, then I will help you.
So teaching method is a very good.
Okay, absolutely, thank you very much. And one more thing, like my question is that, do you think that English is a subject or a student should learn it as a language? Now, what is the condition of West Bengal and especially the students from Bengali medium? What is the condition of English? Do you know the reality?
Most of the Bengali medium students
So like
Uh,
reading is a subject.
read the English like a subject, but
and
they
do not support.
do not read this English like a language.
Yeah, they read
They
English.
cannot speak. They
Yeah.
cannot know the basic of
Every
English.
students to
Hmm.
read the English for his marks.
Yes.
So that is the bad things.
But the reality is that English is a language.
Language and this is the very important.
Yes, very
Because,
important.
Our India,
Mhm.
the digital India. So after the 10 years, the India will go to the
Another level, actually.
Another level and the best position in the world, and the all country respect to the India. So that is the developed English language. So everybody student and the people like to the Bengal mediums. So
Wow.
their communication skill is
Very high at that
very
time.
high.
Very good. So I think every teacher should teach like this way, right?
Yeah.
English should be taught like a language.
Language.
Okay. So if we know it as a language, that means you can easily reply to all the questions from the story and poems.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is a very simple sense, right?
Yeah.
For example, we have finished our syllabus in how many days?
From
In 1.5 months.
one month.
Because the book was very small and
Yeah.
the sub actually
The chapters are very small, right?
very small.
See, now I'm telling the feedback of most of the students. But a lot of students are there who are thinking that English is very difficult language. English subject is very tough, right?
Yeah, they cannot
Actually they are
to speak.
trying to practice and and they are not trying to speak in English. English is the very easy
Yeah.
language.
That means they think this is difficult because they don't know the use of this language.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's right.
They are only learning how to
Marks.
get marks,
Get marks.
how to finish the syllabus.
Actually,
But what is your condition? We learned English language first and then syllabus in 1 month. We finished our syllabus in 2 weeks maybe,
yeah.
right?
Yeah.
But other students, so many students, they cannot cover the syllabus in 1 year. Now what do you think about the suggestion and common? Is it right? Honest, tell me, do you think that teachers should give suggestions? Okay, get inside. Okay, what do you think about the teachers who give suggestions and common
Most
and
of
who
the
select
teachers,
questions?
Teachers English like a subject, not a language.
Mhm.
They teach us for make up of marks.
Yes, okay. And is it right to provide the suggestions to the students for the final exam? Is it right?
No, I don't support the suggestion.
Yeah, why?
Actually,
Because students also understand that we are learning English only for suggestions or only to get qualified or to get good grades in marks or to get good grades in final exam. So they are mentally prepared for the exams and marks
Yeah.
because the teachers providing them the suggestions and the commons to make them common. Okay, they give common and suggestions to make them common students in life. But actually the truth is that English is a language and it should be learned like a language. And the syllabus it's all about story, right?
Yeah.
Syllabus, it's all about story and poems. So if you know the language, see, all the students can easily give the answers if they are asked in Bengali,
Yeah.
right?
Because we need Bengal. Because we know Bengal.
Yeah, we need only the idea.
Yeah.
If you know the language, that means you get the idea only,
Yeah.
and then you can easily write the answers, right? So, do you like? See, did I give you any suggestions?
no sir.
So, what is my method actually? What do I teach you? Like to, what is your point of view about notes?
Means,
Yeah, if I ask you any question,
if I know the question and I also know the grammar basics,
then you can
So
easily
so I write the answer
from.
with my mind.
Yes, absolutely. With my mind or from my mind, right? You can easily write the answers on your own. Okay? If you know how to speak or how to write down by your understanding, following the grammar section. Very good. So this is this is the reality we were talking about. And one more thing. You are from Bengali medium or English medium?
Medium.
You are from Bengali medium. So Mr. Anish, the right side, two Anishes are there. So Anish, you are from which school? Siluri Boys High School. You are in class 11, right?
Yes.
Okay. And Deepankar, you are from?
My school is the Sujuri Bordhan Vidya.
Okay, and your study, I mean, your stream is
Science.
science. So you are studying science. Okay. And Anish, you are studying from arts background, maybe, no? And you are from science. And Rotin is also arts background. And Anish, why did you not? So, what was your dream before your Madhyamik exam actually, MP? Okay, you tell me what is your dream? Upcoming time, which subject you want to study with?
Yeah, English, of course.
Of course, English, right? Now, you feel so confident in English, right? Okay, very good. So, they are my students of class 11 standard. This is the evening batch right now. As it was raining today, for this raining purpose, most of the students could not come today, right? So that is the reason we got an good opportunity,
Yeah.
right? To
That's
spend
why
the
we can speak English.
okay. So that means more students means more noise, right?
Yeah.
Less students means more noise in English.
And
Yeah.
disturbance for all students.
Yes.
Make some noise.
Yes. Make some noise like Benga boys. By the way, so we are going to focus on our lessons, once again, it was just a introductory class, because and we do not use Bengali in English class like other teachers and other students, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
That is the unique thing. Okay, we are from Bengali medium, means we are investing minimum money, but we are learning maximum like English medium.
Yeah.
So I think your parents are lucky enough, they did not send you all to English medium school like Don Bosco, DPS, GD Goenka, but still I'm helping you to build the quality like them. So I'm helping your parents, right?
Yes.
I'm
Yeah.
helping your parents to save money. And you're just giving me
So
very
much money.
yeah, so much money. Okay, lakhs of money.
Lakhs of money.
Because if you want to develop your English communication skill like the students from convent schools, your parents have to invest a lot of money, more than lakhs of money per year.
Yeah.
But with minimum money, you're just learning even better than them, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, fine. So like this way, we basically continue our English class in English language.
Yes.
But what happens in school? English teachers
They
teaching
come
in
and
Bengali.
And
Most
give
of the
notes-
English teachers, huh?
Give a notes and commons for exam.
Okay,
HS
common.
exams.
They give note and commons for
HS exams.
HS exam, and the students become common like the notes after exam, right? By the way, we are just having a good fun because they belong to the Bengali medium background and they understand the internal conditions of the schools, right? And also the teachers who conduct the classes. Okay, because the environment is not so comfortable there, because in school we have more students and they make more noise and there is no discipline in Bengali medium. The sirs also the teachers also cannot maintain the discipline, right?
Yeah.
Because Bengali medium school is government school and government school is poor school. Oh, sorry, it's a mistake. So we should not say like this way. Okay, yeah, because Bengali medium government school, they cannot provide the benefits or facilities like English medium or convent school. By the way, so it was a very good discussion and you can see your confidence level right now. Okay, let me up to this moment today. We'll have better communication classes next time. Bye bye.